Hey, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into some super cool facts about our amazing home, planet Earth. You might think you know everything about the big blue marble we live on, but trust me, Earth is full of surprises. So, grab a comfy seat, and let's get ready to explore some mind-blowing truths about our world. First up, did you know that Earth isn't a perfect sphere? That's right, it's actually a bit squashed. Imagine spinning a water balloon. The middle part bulges out. Right. The same thing happens with Earth, because it's constantly spinning on its axis. It bulges at the equator and gets a little flattened at the north and south poles. This shape is called an oblate. So, if you were to measure the distance through the center of the Earth from pole to pole, it would be slightly shorter than the distance through the equator. It's a tiny difference, but it's what gives our planet its unique, slightly chubby shape. Now, let's talk about something that can literally shake our world. Earthquakes. We usually think of them as destructive events, and they certainly can be. But did you know they can also affect how fast the Earth spins? A really massive earthquake, like the one that hit Japan in 2011, can shift huge amounts of Earth's mass. This shift can actually change the planet's rotation ever so slightly. That particular earthquake shortened our day by about 1.8 microseconds, an incredibly tiny amount of time, but it just goes to show how powerful and interconnected everything on our planet is. Even the ground shifting beneath our feet can have an effect on the entire globe. From the shaking ground to fiery mountains, let's move on to volcanoes. When you think of a volcano, you probably picture a massive mountain spewing lava. And while that's true, volcanoes are also incredible land creators. When a volcano erupts, especially one under the ocean, the molten rock or lava cools and hardens as it hits the water. Over thousands or even millions of years, these layers of cooled lava build up, layer by layer, until they break the ocean's surface and form a brand new island. The beautiful Hawaiian Islands, for example, were all created this way. Volcanoes are like Earth's own construction crew, constantly building and reshaping our world from the inside out. Next, let's take a deep breath. Fresh air. But where does most of our oxygen come from? You might think it's from the big leafy trees and rainforests, and they definitely help. But believe it or not, more than half of the oxygen we breathe comes from the ocean. Tiny, microscopic plants called phytoplankton are the real heroes here. Through photosynthesis, just like plants on land, these little guys absorb sunlight and carbon dioxide and release oxygen. They are so numerous that, altogether, they produce more oxygen than all the forests on Earth combined. So next time you look at the ocean, remember, it's not just full of water. It's a giant, life-giving oxygen factory. Finally, let's look at the bigger picture, the continents themselves. Have you ever noticed how South America and Africa look like they could fit together like puzzle pieces? Well, they once did. The ground beneath our feet isn't static. It's made up of huge plates that are constantly, slowly moving. This process is called plate tectonics. Millions of years ago, all the continents were joined together in one giant supercontinent called Pangaea. Over eons, these plates drifted apart, carrying the continents with them to their current positions. They're still moving today, at about the same speed your fingernails grow. A slow-motion dance that has been shaping our planet for billions of years and will continue to do so for billions more. And there you have it, 5 incredible facts that show just how dynamic and amazing our planet is. From its slightly squished shape to the tiny ocean plants that give us air to breathe, Earth is a place of constant change and wonder. 2. It's a reminder that there's always something new to learn about the world around us. We hope you enjoyed this journey through some of Earth's coolest secrets. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more adventures. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.